Welcome to phase one of your rehab for the rotator cuff tendinopathy. For each case of rotator cuff tendinopathy, we know that it needs an individualized approach for the management of it. Most of phase one is all utilizing an isometric exercise. So you're going to see that I'm pushing up into a band, or pulling a band, or pushing down the rack in front of me, or the weight to the side, or the foam pad to the side. We are working through isometrics first, as they do not create new inflammation or new strain or new heat into the tissue. To improve the strength and function of the shoulder, you can utilize these exercises at home. With each phase of care, our goal is continued improvement, clean range of motion, improved stability of the joint, and strength in different forms.